So students of class 6, this is something from your poem, the new one. And here in this appreciation part you have rhyme scheme. What rhyme scheme is? Rhyming words are words that end with a similar sound. Here, rhyming words are words that end with a similar sound. For example, cat rhymes with mat. Fine rhymes with sign. Staying rhymes with playing. So these are rhyming words you got to know. Then here is an example. When rhyming words appear at the end of lines of poetry, they are called end rhymes. And then when the rhyming words appear at the end of the lines, then they are called end rhymes. Now, uh, an example is given. Zack and Zill went up a hill. Zack and Zill. So here Zeal and Hill are rhyming words. So these are examples of end rhymes. So this is it in the first slide. Let us move on to the next. See what is there. Second example, the thing about the sack is teeth. One row above, one row beneath. Now take a close look. Do you find it has another row behind? So teeth, net, beneath. Beneath final sound is net. It, tit. Beneath, tit, it. So these are rhyming. Now take a close look. Do you find it has another row behind? Find behind, find hind. So these are rhyming. So these are examples of end rhyme. Third example, you are old, Father William, the young man said, and your hair has grown very white, and yet you incessantly stand on your head. Do you think at your age this is right? Now, here these rhyming words you found uh, in succession, in successive lines. Rhymes can be of this type also, rhymes can be of this type also. Here you can see the first line word rhymes with the third line word. Said, head, said, head. First line, third line, then second, white, fourth, right. So second rhymes with fourth, first rhymes with third. No, this is another type that you have found here. So these are examples of end rhymes, and how we have to name these rhymes, that is another thing that we will learn. Maybe of that also you will be given examples. Let us move on to the next slide to see what things are there. So here it is told in examples 1 and 2, the first and second lines end with rhyming words zeal and heel, tit and beneath, and the third and fourth lines end in a different pair of rhyming words, find and behind. In example 3, the first and third lines end with rhyming words said and hey, while the second and fourth lines end with another pair of rhyming words white and right. Thus poets use rhyming words at the end of lines in different patterns. These are called patterns. Now these patterns are named as A maybe somewhere, then maybe A B like that, maybe A B C like that. It can be of any pattern. So this is it. Now to identify these different patterns of rhyming words, each new sound at the end of a line is given a letter starting with capital A, then capital B, and so on. If an end sound repeats the end sound of an earlier line, it gets the same letter as the earlier line. This creates what is referred to as the rhyme scheme of the poem. This is exactly what is meant by rhyme scheme. In example 2 above, the pattern would be A B B, and whereas in example 3 the rhyme scheme would be A B. So this is all about rhyme scheme that we have learned in this presentation. I will come up with new things in the next presentation. Till that time, I would like to say bye to you. Thank you.